Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and getting the core files. Install Python 3. 10 plus, create and activate a virtualenv, then pip install required libs. Once done, download a compatible diffusion checkpoint and a high-quality upscaler. Make sure licenses permit use. You should place model files in a models/folder and verify hashes. Then run the inference server script for the first time to confirm dependencies load and GPU memory is detected, because that immediate test prevents wasted time later. You now focus on generation technique and iterative refinement. Start with a detailed prompt. Mention soft color palettes, hand-painted textures, wide lenses, warm light to emulate Ghibli-like aesthetics. Once prompt is set, run the sampler with medium steps and a CFG scale around 712. Change seed for variations. After initial render, perform denoising passes and a 2x upscaler, then retouch lines and colors with a refinement pass. Make sure to compare outputs and adjust prompt adjectives and lighting until you get the desired look. You finish by exporting the final image and recording exact prompts, seeds, and parameters for reproducibility. Once done, run a final pass for color grading and a mild sharpening filter. Make sure to save a lossless file for archives. If you encounter banding, odd artifacts, or blown highlights, reduce denoising strength, adjust sampler steps, or try a different seed. Also verify GPU memory and model integrity. Reloading the checkpoint often fixes corrupted outputs. Keep iterative backups to avoid losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.